Since this is an objective question, you can solve it using a trick that will make your work faster. And what is the trick? Let's take a look at the numerator. First, say 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5, right? So we have 5. Now, for 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2, all you have to do is just multiply like this. 1 times 2 is 2. So this will give 5 whole number. Then we have 2 plus, then you multiply like this. 1 times 4 is 4. So that will be 2 plus 4 over 4 times 2 is 8. So for the numerator, you will get 5 whole number 6 over 8, which is the same thing as you can simplify it. So this will give 5 whole number 3 over 4. Then let's tackle the denominator. 4 minus 2 is 2. Then for 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4, you multiply like this. 1 times 4, note how I multiplied mine. 1 times 4 is 4. So we have 2 whole number, 4 minus, then 2 times 1 is 2. 4 minus 2, then over, you multiply the denominator. 2 times 4 is 8. So that we have 2 whole number, 2 over 8. And this is the same thing as 2 whole number 1 over 4. Now, let's put the numerator and the denominator together so that this will now give 5 whole number 3 over 4 divided by 2 whole number 1 over 4. Now, you can easily change to improper fraction so that this will now give 23 over 4 divided by 9 over 4, and that will be 23 over 4 times 4 over 9. The 4 will cancel 4 and you will have 23 over 9. How many times will 9 go in 23? It will go 2 times. 9 times 3, 9 times 2 is 18. So that's 2 times remainder. 23 minus 18, that's 5. So 2 whole number 5 over 9. And this is the final answer.